Beef Meximelt. When you find yourself in the mood for something melty, you may ask yourself, what could possibly be better than Taco Bell's famous Meximelt? We get it. As it turns out, DIY homemade Meximelt, that's what Inspiration Kitchen has got you covered with the perfect recipe for the dish, which consists of ground beef, plenty of melty cheese, and fresh pico de gallo, all wrapped in a fluffy flour tortilla. Taco meat seasoning. Taco meat seasoning. Order sauce. Order sauce. Chalupas. If you're a chalupa lover, then you may already know firsthand how hard it can be to nail cooking your own shell at home. Luckily, however, Food.com features a great recipe from a contributor who seems to have mastered the art. Check out the directions for how to make your very own chalupas at home, shells and all. Enchirito. Enchirito. Beef and cheese Crunchwrap Supreme. Beef and cheese Crunchwrap Supreme. Cantina Power Bowl. While health food may be the last thing on your mind as you wind your way through the Taco Bell drive-thru, the fast food chain has actually come up with some impressively healthy options over the years. Have you tried their Cantina Power Bowl? It's really good. She knows has a refreshingly guilt-free recipe for the dish, which combines brown rice with fresh vegetables and can always be topped with chicken or other meat.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.